Dr. Amit Paithankar. I am the CEO of Waaree Energies Limited. It's a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you for having me. So this year in REI Expo, we have shown a very innovative module, which is a 730 watts module. It's an HJT module. If you have the time, please go down and have a look at it. And also we have showcased some of our really innovative products like flexible panels. And these are panels which can actually, sit on a wave. So again, if you go downstairs, you'll actually see it. So there are many structures where the weight bearing capacity is actually very low. You might not be in a position to have your heavy structures, installed. And so therefore these flexible panels really help because they are very low in weight. Also, some of the structures are curved. So how do you place your solar panels? That's where flexible solar panels come into play. So for malls, for various buildings where you don't have a straight surface but a curved roof, that's where you can use it. We expect a very high level of demand buoyancy in the market, and to capture that, we are coming up with the adequate amount of manufacturing capacity. So we already have 13.3 gigawatts of solar module manufacturing capacity, 12 gigawatts in Gujarat, and 1.3 gigawatts right here in the vicinity of Greater Noida. And that's one of the important strategies. The other very important strategy is backward integration. And so we are getting into cell manufacturing. Our 5.4 gigawatts of cells will start operations in just the next few months here. And so therefore, cell manufacturing is really going to be the new currency of the solar value chain. Because we may have a huge amount of module capacity, but the cell capacity tends to be limited. And that's where it's important to have the cell capacity. So we have been a participant of this REI Expo for a very long period of time, long-time partner with this. We meet up with our esteemed customers here. We meet up with our supply chain partners. We meet up with fellow manufacturers. We also have good deliberations in forms of panel discussions. So all in all, a good forum to be in.